Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome. Today's episode is dedicated to vocabulary. And when you learn a new word, you just not learn the meaning of that word, you must also know the correct pronunciation. You must also understand how to use that word. So, in today's episode, we'll be learning 10 new words. Okay? Le vocabulaire du monde autour de vous. The vocabulary of world around you. So, in there we'll learn vocabulary, pronunciation plus usage, how to use it. Okay? So, our first word is pays. Pays. Why? You know, in French alphabet it's called Y. So it's giving the sound of E. Pays. Pays means country. Purposely, I have not kept the meanings in these slides so that you can try to remember or you note down, and when you write, there are more chances of you remembering it. Okay. So pays is a country. This S doesn't mean plural. This is a word as a whole. Pays is a country. I put la or which also denotes that it's a masculine word. So pays is a masculine word. Depending on the context, you'll put la if you're talking about a specific country, or you'll put if you're talking about country in general. Le and or le pays, un pays. Now, how can you use it? I have put the simplest possible sentence here. La France est un pays. La France est un pays. Is France is a country. You know that in French you must use an article before every noun. That's why we say La France. La France est un pays. France is a country. Moving on. Ville. 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 La ville. Une ville. Which shows that ville is a feminine word. Okay. La Paris est une ville. La Paris est une ville. Paris is a city. RUE. Slightly difficult to pronounce. If you have practiced the French R, sorry, air I'm saying, R, then it will be easy for you. It's rue. Rue. La rue. Une rue means street. Yes, rue is street. Je cherche la rue Paris. Je cherche, I'm looking for. If you watched my video on essential sentences, you will find this. Je cherche. Chercher is a verb which means to look for, to search. Je cherche la rue Paris. I'm looking for the street called Paris Street. Le quartier. Quartier. Le quartier. Quartier means locality or area. Le quartier. J'aime, I like, le quartier de Colaba. I like the area or the locality of Colaba, which is a place in Mumbai, India. École. 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 Une école, l'école. Feminine word. Une école, une école. Il y a une école dans la ville. Il y a une école dans la ville. Il y a. Il y a means there is. Il y a. This is a very useful expression you can remember whenever you want to say there is. Il y a une école dans la ville. There is a school in the city. We just learned this word, city. Dans is in. Université. Université. University. Very evident. Say l'université. Say means it is. L'université de Mumbai. Marché. Marché is market. Le marché, the market. Now I've removed on you. You've understood the concept that whenever it's a masculine word, you can use le or en, definitive, indefinitive, depending on the context. Le marché, c'est le marché de la ville. This is the market of the city. C'est le marché de la ville. Had it been a generic, in generic sense, you would have said c'est un marché. It's a market. So you would have used en. Épicerie. L'épicerie. Why this L is alone without A? La. It's basically la, which has been shortened because I told you in the beginning that whenever the any article is followed by a word which starts with a vowel, you remove the e or a of the la and you put an apostrophe. So it's l'épicerie. L'épicerie is your grocery store, okay? Note down. Épicerie. L'épicerie. Épicerie. Épicerie. Je vais à l'épicerie. I am going. This is way is conjugation of the verb aller. A-L-L-E-R. Aller, which means to go. Je vais à l'épicerie. I'm going to the grocery store. La boulangerie. La boulangerie. Boulangerie is your bakery. No? La boulangerie. Again, similar construct. Je vais à la boulangerie. I'm going to the bakery. La pâtisserie. Pâtisserie. I've tried to put similar sentences, similar words with similar pronunciation so that it's easier for you to remember. La pâtisserie is your cake shop. Je vais à la pâtisserie. Je vais à la pâtisserie.
That was all for today. Please feel free to share your doubts that you may have while learning French in comments, and I'll see you next time. Merci, au revoir et à la prochaine.